Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about machine learning application for precision agriculture, a comprehensive review. Okay, we have to find precision agriculture using machine learning technique. Now we are going to predict which crop is best and fertilizer and the leaf is affected in disease or not by using machine learning technique, that is KNN algorithm. That is K nearest neighbor machine learning algorithm. Okay, next overview of the project, that is abstract. Okay, abstract. Agriculture is most and foremost factor which is important for survival. Machine learning could be a crucial perspective for acquiring real world and operative solution for crop yield issue. Machine learning is a conspicuous decision support tool for crop yield prediction. This paper focusing mainly on predicting the yield of the copper by applying various machine learning algorithms. The farmer provides the attributes of the soil as input to the application. India being agriculturally based dependent countries, the economic status of the country is completely and partially depend on this agricultural yield that is affected by the organic, economic and seasonal causes. Estimation of agricultural output is big challenging task for this country as the population status taking on consideration. The main objective is to gather data that can be stored and analyzed for forecasting the crop yield. This helps farmers to choose best suitable crop. As also this project aims to bringing an enhancement in this field of agriculture by achieving better result in predicting crop yield with the help of machine learning technique with proper optimization. This statistical model built to provide accurate and precise decision. Okay, first we are implementing crop module. The user input gives the which crop is best. After that fertilizer module, which fertilizer is best for our agriculture. After the third module is leaf disease prediction. The given leaf is affected in disease or not. The prediction is in web application. Prediction in machine learning technique, that is KNN, K nearest neighbor algorithm. Flow diagram. This is our project flow. First, input data. We are importing three modules. First is crop module, second fertilizer, after that leaf detection. First, crop data set. Crop data set contain attributes like shade, district, pH value, rainfall, nitrogen, etc. These data are collected in UCI repository. Next, data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is data cleaning. Our data is we are checking any missing values are there in data set. If you have any missing values, replace with 0 values. Next, remove unwanted column. Any unwanted columns are in our data set, removing process. Next, label encoding. Label encoding is like changing categorical values to numerical value. Data splitting. Our data is splitted into training and testing data. Training part is our algorithm training. Testing is evaluation. Classification is algorithm implementation. We are implementing KNN algorithm, that is K nearest neighbor algorithm. Next, prediction. Prediction is the given input is which crop is best. Like we are implementing web application, that is in Flask. Next, fertilizer module. Fertilizer is we are taking fertilizer data set. Attributes contain temperature, humidity, moisture, crop type, etc. Next, we are implementing pre-processing. Pre-processing is data cleaning, checking missing values, remove unwanted column and label encoding. Next, input splitting. Our input is splitted in training and testing data. Next, implementing algorithm, that is classification, KNN algorithm. Prediction is the given input is which fertilizer is best by using machine learning technique in Flask, that is web application. Next, leaf disease data set, that is in image data set contain multiple columns, multiple folders. Next, pre-processing is image pre-processing is resizing and grayscale formatting. This module is useful for algorithm learning purpose. All images are in equal size and same color. Algorithm will be learned in correct way. Next, image splitting. Image will be splitted in training and testing data. Classification is algorithm implementation. We are implementing KNN algorithm. After that, prediction is like the given images, leaf images affected in disease or not by using machine learning technique. The prediction is in Flask web application process. Okay, next, output. This is our process output, machine learning application for precision agriculture. Okay, this is our home page. Next, this is our crop module. First we have to choose state. I have to choose Tamil Nadu and district Coimbatore. pH value I am putting 6. Next, rainfall contains 7, and nitrogen value contains 0.004, and phosphorus 4, and in soil type is red. Which crop is best? Predict by using machine learning technique onion. Next module is fertilizer. Okay, fertilizer, giving temperature 100, humidity 23, moisturizer 32, soil black soil. I am choosing oil seed crop type. Nitrogen is like 80, and potassium give 1898, phosphorus 85. Fertilizer like DAP fertilizer. Next, leaf disease module. Okay, leaf disease prediction, choose file. I have to import one leaf image, and the leaf is affected in later blight disease.